going to explain some basic concepts of straight lines which is related to slopes or gradient. So what is the definition of slope? This when theta makes angle anti-clockwise direction with positive direction of x-axis is called a slope. What is slope mean? Let theta makes m is equal to tan theta. Whatever the theta, that is 0 to 90 degrees. Whatever we are going to explain is 0 to 90 degrees. That slope will be 0 to 90 degrees which are less than 90. That is called acute angle. Acute angle means 0 to 90 degrees. Though whatever this theta making with x-axis 0 to 90 degrees less than 90 is an acute angle. Wherever 90 degrees exactly is there, that is m is equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta is the slope of this. If theta is 90 degrees, this x-axis will be perpendicular. This line making perpendicular to the x-axis. This is called right angle. 90 degrees whenever it is right angle. What is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is 90 degrees to 180 degrees. These two. So whenever theta in between lies between 90 to 180 degrees, that is called obtuse angle. That's a very important concept. Obtuse angle, right? So whenever 180 degrees greater than that, that is called reflex angle. Greater than 180. Greater than 180 means reflex angle. That is a very important reflex angle. So the base depends on how to find out. This will be based on m is equal to tan theta. Theta making with angle means m is equal to tan theta. This is a very important. If 2 points is given, what is the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Whenever angle is given, this is slope. M is equal to tan theta or gradient. If suppose line is given, how to find out the slope? That is, if suppose line is given like this, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, how to find out the slope is minus a by b. That is the slope of this concept. So these three cases very important. And one more thing, if around 2 points is given, a of x1 y1 supposed to be b of x2 y2. So prepared to the concept is x2 y2 is there. What is the slope of these 2 points? y2 minus y1 by difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates, x2 minus x1. This is the very important. So whenever you are going to do the slope, first of all x and y axis take. If making with x axis, what is the slope of the x axis? That is 0. Slope of the y axis, infinity. How we can going to determine that means, if you take m equal to tan theta, theta is equal to 0 degrees substitute. What is the slope of the x-axis? M equal to tan 0. That is 0 only. That is slope of the x-axis 0. If you go for y-axis, theta is 90 degrees. That is m is equal to tan 90. Tan 90 is infinity. Always x-axis should be 0, y-axis slope will be 90 degrees. So by the default, x and y-axis will be the perpendicular. So this is the very important. If you go for parallel lines, the slopes are equal. If perpendicular lines, product of the slopes is -1. Based on this concept only, it will be relevant further. Okay, bye.